Hi guys, welcome back to My Crafty Panda. I know it's been a minute since I made a video, but I'm back and it's just going to be a quick one today, but I promise there'll be more art ones out soon. And sorry for the crappy lighting. It is nighttime. It's the only time I had the time to record a video. So anyway, today's video, as you know, will be a flip through of my new Traveler's Notebook. Now I actually made this Traveler's Notebook and I love it. It's made out of this beautiful blue vinyl. And I actually glued pretty much 2 pieces of vinyl together. It was relatively simple to make. It was a process and I had a lot of test runs, but I'm finally happy with how this turned out. And if you're curious, this is a B6 size. And I have also tried, well, I didn't try, but I have made, a passport size as well. This one I still have to trim the edges because I feel like it's a little bit too it's too wide, you know, unless I plan on putting like 2 more notebooks in here, and then I think it would fit really well, so we'll see. But that's what I have going on with this one. But anyway, yeah, like I said, let's get back to this one. So for this, I just put a button on the closure. I just thought it gave it something different, and it's cute, and it's nice because I can grab it and pull it down versus, you know, trying to fiddle with the elastic. So let's just get into it. So I made all the inserts myself, and I made the actual cover myself. The only thing that I really didn't do myself in here are the clips, and I showed them in a haul, a Etsy haul. I got these from Glimmer and Glam Squad, except for the panda one I got from a friend. But yeah, I will leave a link in the description of the shop name as well as the video that I have the haul on. So anyway, so this first one is my like art projects notebook. So I went through and I just watercolored all the pages just because I thought it was for art projects and I thought it would just be really fun. So here I just wrote art projects and I did a little doodle. And then here I'm just listing of the stuff that's included in this notebook, and so far it's going to be projects, doodles, and Traveler's Notebook info. And then, you know, if I think of more stuff that I want in here, then I will list it in there. So, and then here's just some of the projects that I will be working on or am working on. And then I think that's all I have written in here, but like I said, I went through this whole thing and I just had fun watercoloring some pages. And this is just copy paper. It's nothing special. This one's my favorite, this drippy technique. It was messy, but it was so much fun. And I love that they like, it has like this crinkle sound. I don't know, just add something to it. And that's my last page. Then here is a dashboard I made. This is actually a little character of myself and my husband that I drew a while ago, and I turned them into little die cuts and laminated them so that I can use them wherever I want to. So I could actually take them out. You know, I could take them out here. But I'm leaving them, and I put love, love, love here because that's something that my husband and I say to each other all the time. Like exactly like that, like love, love, love. I don't know. It's cute. Sorry if you can hear my kid, he's playing his game downstairs. But and then on the other side I put another piece of paper with it's written in the stars. I just thought that was cute. And then this notebook is my YouTube notebook. It's where I keep my ideas. It's where I keep like obviously the videos that I want to upload, and where my subbies are and how many hours my views are. So, and I've been decorating the pages just with a couple washies just to kind of give it something, because I don't want to go overboard on decorating, but I do want it to be cute enough that I feel like coming back to these journals. So here we have a sub tracker, and then here are my video ideas, and basically, you know, I put my ideas in a list and then I cross them off after I have uploaded them. So here's the ones that you guys have seen if you've been with me on my channel. And then here I just have blocked out some a series that I want to be doing soon, as well as here's some more video ideas. So you guys stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that button, because I do have some things coming that should be pretty fun. So, and then here I just kind of added some more washi just because I know that there's going to be more video ideas here in the future. So that's all I have in that book right now. And then this is like my lists book. Like I just put a bunch of different like lists in here, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So again, just decorated with a little washi, and this is my personal wish list. Things that I don't have yet are like a printer, a jelly plate with a brayer, the Nintendo Switch. I need a new steam mop head for my steam mop. I want a craft room, because right now my craft area is kind of like in the living room, so that's kind of like a lifelong dream, I guess. I want a portable photo printer, and I just recently added this. They're coming out with the Samsung Galaxy 9, and I'm not normally a person that wants to have like the newest and the best thing, but I got into photography for a while, and I love having a really good camera. Especially with my phone. It's something that I carry with me every day, and the Galaxy 9 camera just looks amazing, and I really just want it for that, if you know, nothing else. But I probably won't get it for a while, but it's definitely on my wish list because it looks awesome, and you know, I do need a new phone soon. I have the Note 5 right now, which isn't bad or anything. I've had it for a few years, and I just feel like I need a new one. And this is my husband's wish list, and just some things that he either needs or wants. Here's some tattoos that I want to get. This is my cleaning list. If I just like, I know I need to clean the house or whatever, there's times where I just feel like there's just times where your head isn't straight, and you just need something to look at and go, okay, I need to clean the living room. What can I clean in the living room without actually having to go in the living room and look around and try to, you know, whatever. And I'm talking more like deep cleaning stuff, so like dusting and mopping and vacuuming the couch and cleaning the windows, stuff like that. Like I'll put that here, so all I have to do is flip open to this page and be like, okay, yes, let me do this and this and this and this, you know. And then here are my keto meals, and it will continue to grow, but there's just some like staple, like more like dinner meals that I have here for keto right now. And then this is my weight loss tracker. So basically I have my starting weight, which was my heaviest weight, and then I've just kind of been keeping track of where my weight has been at, and it's pretty steady right now. You know, it's just not really a topic I feel too comfortable talking, but I do like to keep my weight loss tracker in here, so I kind of get to see, okay, this is where I was last year, or even last month, and just kind of see if I've made any improvements, if I'm not doing anything drastic at the moment. And then this is a list I just added, things I want to do in 2018. I want to go to Lake Erie. We live in Ohio, and we've only been, you know, Lake Erie is about an hour from us, and we've only been there a couple times, and it hasn't been anytime recent. So I would love to go to Lake Erie. Cedar Point is something I haven't been to in a few years, and I'd love to go this year. And then I've been collecting a bunch of these like teeny little erasers because I wanted to create some geocache boxes. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's kind of like a real life treasure hunt, and it's pretty fun, especially if you have kids. But even if you don't have kids, it's really fun because it's like you never know what you're gonna find, and then finding these little things themselves are just really exciting on their own. And there's different levels, and you know, if you guys haven't heard of it, definitely look it up, but it's called geocaching. So it's super fun. I discovered it a couple of years ago, and I didn't do anything last year, and I still want to create some so that I can personally hide the containers and fill them up with goodies, and just kind of see other people find them. I think that would be really cool. So that's definitely something I want to do. That's like one of my top things that I want to do this year. So that's it for my lists. And then here is the other side of that dashboard that I showed you that I created. And these are my kids. This is from a couple years ago, but I love this picture of them together. And I just kind of cut around it and put this scrapbook paper that matches this. It's actually all from the same Michaels line, and then I cut out a moon and put my boys on there, and I think that turned out really cute. And then on the other side is another character that I created, and I made her kind of like a die cut again, and so, you know, I could remove her if I wanted to. And then I just layered on this moon dreamer behind this scrapbook piece of paper, and I think that turned out really, really cute too. Hopefully you guys see it without the glare. I know it's kind of hard. My lighting sucks right now, sorry. So, and then this is my last notebook for now. And I've mentioned before in some of my other videos, I do suffer from anxiety, occasional depression. So this is kind of like the journal that I go to when I'm feeling like a lot of anxiety, I'm feeling really down, and I'm trying to get out of it. So yeah, so the first page, I just have a quote. Sometimes it's okay if the only thing you did today was breathe. And that's so important to me because I'm the kind of person that if I don't do something in a day, that alone gives me anxiety, and I feel so guilty. Like, I don't know. Like, I just feel like I need to do something. I need to do a bunch of chores, and I need to go to the store, and I need to do things with my kids. And it's just like this never-ending cycle of constantly feeling like if I don't do anything, I am a piece of crap. Sorry for the language, but that's how I feel sometimes. And so it's just, you know, it's okay if all I did was breathe today. And that's really important to me. So also I have this little in case of panic attacks. It's just a breathe in for 4 seconds, hold in for 7 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds, and repeat 1 to 2 times. And that really, really does help. So I like to keep it in here because, you know, in the midst of an attack, it's hard to concentrate or remember anything. So if I can at least just remember, go to my book, go to my traveler's notebook, and go to this page, like, that alone will just help because I have it literally written in front of me to help me. Here are some healing mantras to reduce stress. I'm not going to read it all, but here's another quote. Without rain, nothing grows. Embrace the storms of your life. Again, another beautiful quote that I loved. So I just doodled some clouds and some raindrops. And I have this cute washi, this clouds, rain, rainbow umbrellas. I just thought fit really well. And then here is where I'll be writing more of my daily self-care tips. 10-minute meditation, 10-minute stretches, drink water, because I do forget to drink water. I kind of have a Pepsi issue, but it's delicious and it's really hard to stop. And then just to create something, I always feel better if I just make something, and it doesn't have to be doodles, it doesn't have to be art, it doesn't have to be mixed media. It's like literally if I just create something out of nothing, if I just even glue things down, like it just makes me feel so much better. So you know, I'll be adding to this list. And then here I wrote, you are enough. Again, really important, because sometimes we tend to forget that we are enough, that we aren't expected to do a bunch of things to make other people like you, or to feel like we need to be accepted. It's just, you're enough the way that you are already, you know? And then here's my last page. I haven't filled anything in yet, but I did see this card that came with the scrapbook and paper pack that I had, and it says it's just a phase, and I just really wanted to do a tip in with that. So on the other side it says dream big. So yeah, and it's just kind of fun to flip back and forth. So if I'm feeling anxious, I can just be like, oh, okay. No, I don't know, but yeah, I don't know. I don't do tip-ins a lot, so it's kind of cool to just have something in here. But so yeah, I'll be filling this out, and you know, I'll be continuing whatever comes to mind in here. And that is all I have in my traveler's notebook right now. Also, I actually have 2 more notebooks that I will at some point be adding in here. I have this one that I made, and I have nothing written in it, which is why it's not in here, and this one. So these will be going in here at some point. I just need to figure out what it is that I want to do with them yet. I don't want to do like a weekly calendar or anything like that, because I do have a separate planner that I use specifically for that, and that's all that I use that for. And I bought it, so I want to use it, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of quick but kind of rambly. I feel like I was like talking a lot, but yeah, and I'm thinking about making some more of these journals. They were pretty fun to make, and I think they turned out pretty cool. So let me know if you guys enjoyed by hitting that like button. And I will see you guys very, very soon with a art video. Alright, bye guys.